Afternoon, friends. Russell here, coming to the shop once again. Just a quick update on the Jeep. After the long weekend, we managed to get some of the work done we wanted done. Got the carpet laid, got the fresh air duct box reassembled and installed. The heater plenum's not ready to go. Did manage to get some of the fender flares on, side steps. The tailgate tire swing is complete. I'll show that now. We cleaned up all the hardware, brand new stainless bolts, cleaned up the whole bracket, new lock piece, and you can see it works just fine. Right now I'm waiting on an adapter because the 32-inch tire ends up hitting the bumper, so still waiting on that to come in. I'll pick the camera up here and we'll walk around, kind of show you where what we've been doing. All right, as you can see, I got the fender flares installed, both front and the rear. These are aftermarket units. They fit well enough. At the end of the day, like I said, this is not a show Jeep. This is going to be a workhorse. We're going to drive it. We're going to use it. It's going to get beat up. So the fact that they don't fit perfect doesn't bother me at all. Very pleased with the install of these side steps. I think it's a rock hard 4x4. Let me see if I can find the paperwork real quick. Yep, rock hard 4x4. These particular side steps will fit CJs, YJs, TJs. They'll fit on the scramblers. The only difference between any of them is the hardware set that comes with it. You do end up drilling through the body for all of these holes here. It's 5/16 hole. Hardware's all stainless. They're very beefy with the integrated step, and it does. This side step does go completely under and gets bolted in from underneath. It ends up sitting with the spacers in it, ends up sitting flush to the floor pan. It does have a gap so the water can get out, but where the bolts go through, here and here, it does sit flush with the floor pan. I did have to go source some different hardware because what they sent wasn't quite the right size. You end up drilling up there, and the same back behind the seat gets drilled up. Here you can see the carpet install. Carpet's a little bit on the large side, doesn't fit quite as snug, which is fine. We get water in here, we'll just peel the carpet back. I did bolt the seats down over the carpet, but if we get water in the floor pan, it's just easy. Peel the carpet back, get a fan blowing, and dry it out. And as you can see, I leave the forward drill floor plugs. I leave those out so that any water can escape out the bottom of the vehicle. You see here the fresh air plenum. It's been cleaned up and installed. This is actually, I don't even know what year this one's for. My original one was broken, so I had to source another one. But they all fit in here fine, just the same. What else? Like I said, front fender flare. We did manage to get the fenders on. We were waiting until I got the blower motor hole opened up for the upgraded blower motor, and then we installed the fenders, hood support rods, managed to get the actual factory bumpers for the grill, and this is a special nutsert bumper set that's used when you have the overlays on. Got the other fender on. Same thing on this side. We've got our rock hard side step and the rear fender flare. Still need to do some trimming in the carpet. It sits a little high. I want it trimmed down to the level of where the pan ends. So I've got to trim both sides square to get that down. And then the carpet will be done, with the exception of the rear carpet. I can wait on that. The left side hood support rod, I don't have it tightened down. I did notice that this weld here has broken, and when I started tightening down on this, it was pulling the back of the radiator support, peeling it away from the rest of the grill. So we loosened it up. I got to come in here, I've got to grind this back and get this coating off of it, and then buzz a weld on there, and then we can tighten this back up. Once this is done, then we can put the hood on. Once again, over here, we did manage to clean up all the heater core box, and the heater plenum parts is all cleaned up. Cleaned up, sanded, and repainted the back support plate. That's the original heater core. It was sent to a radiator shop, boiled out, pressure tested, and any repairs made on it. So it's ready to go. We just have to do the assembly on that. That's about all we got for right now. And I don't know, we're trucking right along. We'll see how much time I've got. See how much time I can put into working on this over the next couple weeks. I got quite a few customer cars coming in. We got a TJ coming in for some sway bar disconnects. I got 2 BMW E46s that need complete suspension reworks just for age. Shocks are worn out. Control arm bushings are worn out. But as far as the CJ goes, we're trucking right along. I've got to go schedule the muffler shop, because we don't have an exhaust system in it. So I got to go schedule that, timing and everything, because you have to tow it over there, get it done, tow it back. I'm not going to start this motor without the exhaust in, simply because it's fuel injected and it needs to see that O2 sensor right away. But other than that, if you like this content, hit the like button, hit subscribe button, and there's more to follow.